You are discharged. Si Inday naman, alam mo, si Inday lang, ito lang ang masabi ko sa inyo ha, sa lahat. Among the few sa gobyerno, it was only Inday who was very outspoken against the communists noon. Siya lang yung bububuga ng against the communists even when she was a mayor here.
Chair, I do not understand bakit a person convicted of child abuse is still sitting in a seat
Point of
of the
order,
House of
Madam Chair. Ito yung sinasabi.
Representatives. You allowed her as my comment and then you will not allow me? This is a hearing of the budget of 2025. Nasaan dito ang confidential funds? Yung tanong niya,
Madam
confidential
Chair.
funds. Nasaan dito? Nasaan?
Hindi naman nagpatalo si Castro. Yung tactics na ganyan, na parang ano no, parang sorry for the pusit, na kapag nasusukol na ang pusit ay nagaano ng maitim na tinta. Kasi yung atin namang pinag-uusapan dito ay budget. No? So wag naman mag-ugaling pusit ang Office of the Vice President.
Sagot dyan ng bise?
Bakit mo ako kinu-crucify for saying a fact that somebody is convicted of child abuse sitting in the chair? Pusit, and then I cannot fire the presiding chair. So bakit?
Yes,
Bakit napaka one-sided nito, ma'am?
noted po.
Dahil ba madami kayo dyan sa kabila at nag-iisa ako dito?